Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Generation. In today's video, I will show you how to install Laravel step by step on Windows. By the end of this video, you will have Laravel installed and running on your system. Let's get started. Before installing Laravel, we need a few tools on our system: PHP, Composer, a local server environment, and a code editor. Now, in this video, I will quickly show you all of them so you know where to download. And if you want detailed step-by-step guides for each one, I have already created YouTube shorts on installing each of these. Here's where you can download them: XAMPP, Herd, Composer, Visual Studio Code, PhpStorm. All download links are also in the description, and again, you can watch my shorts for the installation process of each tool. After installation, open your command prompt and type Composer -v. If you see a Composer version displayed, that means it's installed correctly. The next step is to create a new Laravel project. Open the terminal and type Composer create project, Laravel, and the name of your application. You can choose any name you like. Once done, go inside your project folder by typing cd my app. Here, my app is the name of my project. Now, open the folder in your editor. Here you will see Laravel folder structure with directories like app, resources, routes, and so on. Finally, let's run our Laravel project. In the terminal, type php artisan serve. Open this in your browser and you should see the default Laravel welcome page. And that's it. You have successfully installed Laravel on your system. In the next video, we will dive deeper into Laravel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Code Generation, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.